I would say endless curiosity. You want to be curious, you want to know what stuff is about, you want to be able to explore and look at stuff.
So it's a toss-up between a good skill for a tester to have and a good skill for an agile tester to have. Adaptability would be me, because you never quite know what's coming next. The turnaround time, feedback time is very short, so I'd go for adaptability.
Being friendly, curious, always wanting to learn more.
Curiosity. Most important thing you could possibly have is curiosity. Second important thing is communication. I'm just bonus out there. So curiosity, figure it out. If it's new, if it's old, whatever it is, just jump in and learn, and then learn from people that know about the topic, teach the topic. So there's a lot in there, but curiosity and then communication.
I feel that the most important skill is about learning. Having that, be curious, be open to learning, and once you've got that mindset, then really you can learn to pretty much do anything. And this is really important with Agile, because you're going to constantly get fast feedback, and that feedback means that you want to learn new things.
Well, for me, it's critical thinking and being super inquisitive. You need to learn how to break things, and that's really, really important.
I think it's a communication one. I think a communication skill, being able to talk to other people, communicate with other members of a team, other stakeholders, I think that's the most important for an agile test.
I think the most important thing is actually to be a good communicator and curious, because you need to be curious to find mistakes that other people don't find, and you need to be a good communicator because you are usually bringing over a message that is not nice to hear.